آزادی بیان.
言论自由
free speech.
Are we losing the media we need for democracy? First thing to say is there never was a golden age. There never is a golden age. That period when Walter Cronkite used to end the TV news, and that's the way it is, was not a golden age. There weren't many sources of news or indeed views. What's happened with the internet and now the smartphone altogether is that the opportunities have become much bigger, but so have the risks. The upside and the downside have just been magnified enormously. The upside, there's much more information. You can directly engage as a citizen in the conversation, like someone on the PNICs. You can participate, you can sign an e-partition. A like on Facebook is a form of political participation. You can see people directly on YouTube. Fact-checking. People talk so much about fake news. Fact-checking has become much, much easier because of the internet. Actually, on Twitter, for example, there I am on Twitter, I once posted a piece of fake news, by mistake, I hasten to add. Within 2 minutes, 3 people had called me out on it. Twitter is brilliant in that respect, and diversity, too. Many more diverse voices can be heard directly through the internet. In India, you see this as, for example, there's an operation called Dalit Camera, which is about bringing you the voices and faces of the Dalit, formerly called the Untouchables, directly to screen. So there's a huge, huge plus. But let me now go to the downside, to the minus, to the risks. And I would say they are, first of all, that the effect of the internet and smartphone on our media is at one and the same time massive fragmentation and massive concentration. And both those things are a problem. So fragmentation, simply because the internet offers an infinity of outlets, a near infinity of outlets, people are in different places across the board. And the question is, does this produce the famous echo chamber and filter bubble effects? Now, this is still a question out there.
آزادی بیان.
言论自由
Free speech.